is coming again.
You think the rain is coming, so let's
Yes.
go up this very mysterious staircase. And here's Roma. Say hi, Roma.
Hi.
She's one of the awesome staff here. And for me, this is one of the best rooms in the hotel. First of all, look at the view, a magnificent view over the whole bay. And it's kind of exclusive. And wow, look at this room. That's cute. Look at that bed. That's nice. Nice spacious bed. And over here, little bathroom. Shower. This is a great shower. I've stayed in this room a couple of times. And look at the view. So in the morning, the sun comes up this side through these windows and wakes you up in the morning. And at night, you get the amazing sunset and this stunning view overlooking the whole of the resort. There's the pool. You have a little table, electric fan, which you need. And there's no Wi-Fi, but you come on holiday. You haven't come to do Wi-Fi. So there you go, that's one of the rooms. For me, this is the best room in the hotel because it offers the best view. But each room is unique and different and beautiful. So I'll give more details in the text about all the facilities of the hotel and the room. See you soon. See you at Faro.